I'm gonna show you around my dorm right now. So I live in an apartment style housing, so that means there's 4 of us who live here. We have a little common area and a kitchen. So let me show you around. So over here we have the bathroom, not the most interesting thing, but we have one sink out here and then a sink inside the bathroom itself, shower. So it's nice to not be like have to share a bathroom with people on the floor or anything like that. That's a perk of living in the apartment style housing. We have our own little kitchen. It's quite small, but it definitely works. Some cabinet space, the basics. We got an oven, stove, sink, no dishwasher. This is my roommate's room. So there's 2 people to a room. See, it's nicely decorated. She has a little canopy over her bed. So the next thing is the common room. We have our TV over here, our little kitchen table, our couch, some tapestries to decorate, and the fridge. Love having a fridge, a full-size fridge. After not having one last year, is super, super nice. Lots of storage, cleaning supplies. There's no closets. Then let me show you my room. So this is my room. You can see all my storage things. Nothing too fancy. A closet over there and a desk over here. So every room comes with a bed, a desk, and a wardrobe. And like a chair for the desk and drawers. So you don't have to worry about buying any of that. One tip I would recommend, super, super, super helpful, is getting a mattress pad. So it's basically this like thick foam, like I don't know, maybe it's memory foam cushion that goes on top of your bed, and it makes it amazing. So it has helped me sleep like a baby here. I sleep better here than I do at home because of this super nice mattress pad. Yep, so let me show you my roommate's side of the room. Ooh, it's super bright, so it's a little hard to see, but same thing. She has her bed, her closet, but yeah, that's about it. This is called the Christiana Towers. The only apartment style housing on campus, but it's pretty big. I'm on the 14th floor, and let me tell you, my favorite part about living here is the view. So since we live on the 14th floor, we're up super high and we get super nice sunsets. So that's the other part of the building. You can see it all up here. It's where I park my car. So you are able to bring your cars on campus. You can park them in this lot here. And yeah, I love the view. It's super nice when it snows, sunrise, sunset. Yeah, so that's about it. This is where I live. And yeah, see you guys later. Hey guys, I'm here with Marguerite.
Hi.
So this is Marguerite's room. This is a freshman dorm at the University of Delaware. So this is one of the brand new dorms. So you can see it's pretty nicely spaced. A lot of these are double style, so there's 2 people to a room, and then they have like a communal bathroom in the hall to share. But it's a really nice space. The ceilings are super high, which is really nice. And yeah, every room comes with a wardrobe and a desk. And yeah, so let's go take a look at some of the other stuff we have in this residence hall. So some people decorate for St. Patrick's Day, really fun. So every single floor has its own little lounge. So this is the floor lounge right here, a great spot to go and study. Every floor has their own bathroom. Here are the bathrooms. And I'll take you out to the main area. There's some cool things, like a really nice kitchen that has cameras so you can like record yourself cooking. There's a nice like grand piano if you know how to play piano. But yep, so this is the main area here. Some couches to hang out. Lots of studying space in this residence hall. Here's the mailboxes so you can get your packages. So this is the laundry room I'm going to show you. So really convenient right here. You just bring all your laundry. Lots of space. It's pretty much the laundry room. Nothing more to say about that. Then we have the kitchen here. So 1 second, we're going into the kitchen. So this is the kitchen, really cool. There's like the overhead camera that records you on the screens over there. Have you cooked here before?
Yes, I have. We had pasta night one night. We all made pasta.
Sounds really good. Yep, so this is the kitchen. And then we have a bunch of little like cubicles to go and study, which is really nice. Group studying. And yeah, this is like the main lounge where there's a piano. And yeah, that's about it. So this is a typical freshman dorm at the University of Delaware. See ya.
Bye.